Okay, now that I give you a clue on what to do and how to do it, and you probably have already read a bit on how seeds work and on how Windows works with security identifiers, you should be able to know that there is a global identification that is basically the domain identification, and then for each user, for each new object, it basically creates a +1 logic for the identification of that asset. There are some uh, security identifiers that are well known, and we just need to look up and connect and look up for those users. Okay, so we can connect again RPC client. So we have the lookup. Sorry, first let's do the LSA query to get the information from domain. LSA query. Okay, we have domain. Now we do a lookup SIDS, lookupsids. I'll put this identification for the domain, and then if I put minus 500, for example, that is a well-known admin user, I would expect to see administrator user. As you can see, it translated me. So basically what we need to do is just go one by one, and we can have all the users listed. Some of them unknown, okay, not a problem, but basically it's just this that we need to do to figure out which users they will exist. I'm just blindly rotating the numbers, but you should be able to do it in a more efficient way with the script, or with what you learn on how feeds work. Try to figure out another strategies to get access to some users. So as you can see, there are multiple ones spread it all over the place. Ooh, found another one. Interesting. See, another one, another one, another one. See? So basically, this is where all the users are, and this is how we can enumerate them. So now this is not easy to do by hand. Let's try to figure out a strategy to do it in probably some bash code or something. Let's see. And let's write a small piece of code. Oh, give me a second. Do I still have the? Yes, I still have it. Okay. So let's keep it this into a variable. Now let's do a for loop for I in dollar. Where is dollar? Sequence it from 500 to 3000 or 3000. We already know the users are around 2000. Do result equals dollar open RPC client minus U. I don't think we need this, so I think it will work like this. The IP address of the machine 10.112.139.170 minus C. Now let's pass lookup SIDS. Now grab the variable that we created, SID minus $I, that is the number that you will be counting, and we shall send this dev slash null. You close it, and that's it. And you might get everything that is positive output to our result variable. Everything that is error, it will be dumped to null. Now let's do an echo. Echo. Sorry, my keyword. Result. Echo result. Pipe. So I just want to grab this, grep minus v and the underscore status pipe grep minus v z dollar close and echo. Okay, done. Let's see what we can get. Ooh, comma not found, comma not found. Oops. Probably I did some wrong. Let's just check. Let's just write to command. Probably I have some error in this syntax. Just give me a second. So let me just put I equals to 1. I equals to 1, and now I'll put this code here and let's see if it works. rpcclient. Now I see. It's missing a C. Sorry. My dyslexia is working again. If you notice, means you're paying attention. Thank you. Oops, I think I made a mistake. Give me a second. I don't want. No. Let's do it. Can it be that this is what I did wrong? Okay. Now I see the error. So perhaps I'll do it in a different way then. So he's waiting probably for the enter. So I need to tune this a bit. So perhaps I'll need to put the guest percentage. So now I'm just logging in with guest with the username. Hopefully it doesn't need the enter or the password, and it will not request me. Command not found again. What did I did now? Let me just do it worked. So what's the difference between this and my RPC client on for loop? Shit. Now it's solved again. Here we have it. So as you can see, we are now enumerating all users in our domain. I could also do this dumping into a file, might be even better, but I didn't remember that actually. You can do it, and then you can get the list of the users as a result. So I'll stop and you'll do it on your own.